Good morning. Today we're going to read a story from the New Catholic Picture Bible called The City of David. The ark is carried into Jerusalem with David at the head of the procession, dancing with joy before the ark. The first thing that David did as king was to lead his soldiers against the city of Jerusalem. He conquered it and made it his capital. He built a wall around it and called it the City of David. During the time that he ruled, David tried to lead the people to worship God as they should. He brought to Jerusalem the ark that had been captured by the Philistines. He built a tabernacle on the Mount Zion to house the ark. Each day sacrifices were offered before the ark. The ark was carried into the city with shouting and dancing, and with the sound of the trumpets and harps and flutes. 30,000 armed men were the guard of honor, and very many people joined in the great procession. David himself, playing on his harp and dancing with joy before the ark, was in the procession. David rebuilt the city, making new walls and towers and courts and palaces, so that Jerusalem in her beauty and safety became for the children of Israel a holy place, a city of God. David divided the priests into 24 groups. Each group was to serve in turn before the Lord. He chose 4,000 musicians to sing praises and to play music before God each day. David was a good king to his people and protected them from their enemies. During his rule, Israel became great and powerful. But David was also a great poet. Inspired by God, he wrote beautiful poems that today we call the Psalms. They are songs of praise and thanksgiving and of sorrow for sin. God loved David and promised, through the prophet Nathan, that the Savior would be born of his family. The promise said, "Your house shall be faithful, and your kingdom shall be forever. Your throne shall be firm forever." The Messiah was to be the king, whose throne will be forever. David wanted to build a temple, but God, by a prophet, sent him a message saying, "Not you, but your son shall build me a temple. I will set up his kingdom forever."